Click the Check Our Price button on umbrellalife.ca to get started with a few simple questions that will produce your personalized price. Let's go through the process together. Question 1. What's your email? We will send you your price by email after, in case you need to refer to it later. What's your address? As insurance prices vary by provinces, we need your address where your primary residence is located. When is your birthday? This question can help you obtain reduced rates. Smoker or non-smoker? What is your monthly take-home pay? Your take-home pay is the amount deposited from your employer in your bank account, after taxes and deductions. Give Jinie a second to calculate your price. A page will open, sharing the chosen monthly benefit, and the cost will be showcased with a market comparison to make known you have a great price. You have the possibility to buy now or continue when you desire from the email you received. Let's not forget you can cancel at any time. We accept credit card, and the process is done 100% online. Umbrella Life, Life Insurance 2.0. Get started.